What's the meaning of chauffeur? Chauffeur. Chauffeur.
Chauffeur. Chauffeur. A chauffeur is a professional driver who is typically employed by someone to transport them in a private vehicle. The chauffeur's duties often involve more than just driving. They may also be responsible for scheduling appointments, running errands, and keeping the vehicle clean and well maintained. In some cases, chauffeurs may be required to wear a uniform or adhere to a specific dress code. Overall, a chauffeur provides a convenient and personalized transportation service for their employer.